Botswana domiciled Choppies supermarket has denied that it is on the verge of collapsing amid stock shortage and closure of some of its branches across the country. The retailer says that it has resolved the operational challenges it has been facing after its shareholders injected money to give it a new lease of life. But while Choppies undergoes turbulence, Naivas supermarket is widening its footprint further by opening its 53rd store in Kenya. Lillian Carrier with more on that story.
When Choppies supermarket entered the Kenyan market in 2015, taking over Ukwala supermarket, it revived hope for Kenya's shaky retail market. At that point, Nakumatt, Uchumi and Deacons, which were once Kenya's retail giants, barely 4 years later, turmoil has hit the retailer as it recently closed its Kiambu and Bungoma branches. A spot check conducted by NTV reveals that most of its outlets are struggling to stock up. Choppies is also alleged to be owing its suppliers and workers their full dues. But with the occurrences casting a bleak future for the retailer, Choppies has today broken its silence, with the management telling NTV that it has been facing some issues at the board level in its head office. Speaking on phone, one of the managers who sought anonymity told NTV, and I quote, "The supermarket has been facing some operational challenges which have caused cash flow hiccups across its outlets," end of quote. The supermarket says that it recapitalized the business last week after its shareholders pumped in money to revive the declining business flow and promised to have stores fully stocked by next week. Further, in a press statement sent out this afternoon, the retailer asserted that it was keen on the Kenyan market and planned on injecting more resources into its operations. The retailer's woes increased last year when the Botswana Stock Exchange and Johannesburg Stock Exchange halted the trading of its shares over failure to release financial results for the year ended 30th June 2018. But as the retail sector clutches its straws to stay in business, Naivas supermarket seems untouched by the turbulence as it opens its 53rd store in Ongata Rongai, Kajiado County. This now brings to 6,500 the number of people employed directly by the retail store. Lillian Kiarie, NTV.